Hello friends, welcome to my channel Life, Sing, Eat and Travel. In my today's video, I am going to show you how you can make fish egg fry at home. And if you enjoy my video, then kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. For today's recipe, I am taking some green chilies, some cloves of garlic, one small tomato, one big onion cut it into small pieces, some coriander and 250 grams fish egg, one curry leaves and a small ginger. For chopping, we are taking Prestige chopper, which is a very beautiful product which you can buy. Now we are adding our nicely cutted onions into the chopper. Then we are adding the green chilies and the ginger. Now we will add our garlics and we will chop them nicely. See, with the help of the Prestige chopper, how nicely you can chop your vegetables. Now in the same way, we will chop the tomatoes also. Now we will try to remove the vitelline membrane that covers the eggs. See, we have removed the vitelline membrane. Now on a hotted pot, we will add some mustard oil. Now we will nicely fry our ginger, garlic, onions and the curry leaves. Now we are going to add turmeric, then salt according to our taste, then we will add some Kashmiri mirch powder to get a very good color. Now we will fry them until they become nicely red in color. Now we will add the chopped tomatoes and we will fry them until they become melted and nicely mixed with the onions. See, we have nicely fried our tomatoes and the ginger garlic paste and they have become reddish in color. So it is the time to add the fish eggs. Now we will fry the fish eggs until the removal of mucous membrane so that they become separated from each other. Now we will add some soya sauce to the eggs. And little bit of chili sauce to get a good taste. See, the eggs are started separating from each other. Now we will add a tablespoon of pure ghee to the eggs. And we will mix them nicely. Now we will add some fresh coriander to the eggs to get a very great aroma. And we will mix them well. And we are done with our recipe. So today we have seen how to make fish egg fry. Friends, I would like to thank you all for your support. Keep blessing me. Thank you.